Good morning, everybody. Today I'll be reviewing a unique Canadian breakfast food, the Chicken McMuffin from McDonald's. So McDonald's Chicken McMuffin is something I saw they started offering this summer, and it's just too funny. It's literally, it's their junior chicken sandwich that is only available here in Canada, put inside of a regular McMuffin. It's got mayo and cheese on it. It's pretty cool. Unique. Chicken is not normally something you have for breakfast, especially not highly processed chicken, but I want to give this a review here, let you guys know what I think of this unique creation. It's really funny. This is like a junior chicken, but the texture of the McMuffin makes it a lot different. Usually the bun, you just rip through it, but this is a little spongier, different texture, and I don't know, it feels kind of weird because I'm imagining like a sausage McMuffin or something, and it's straight up chicken. It's good though. There's a bird right beside my car. You want some of this too? Sorry, bro. It's your cousin. That was dark. Yeah. The junior chicken does have cheese, but it goes pretty well together. Yeah, I just can't get over the texture of this English muffin. That makes it a little different to bite into. Definitely weird, but good. I don't know how I feel about that. The bird's back. He wants a piece of this. He sees me holding it up. Little does he know, this is one of your relatives. He's literally staring at it. He wants this. I feel so bad. I should hide it. But I'll give it one more bite and I'll give my review. The McDonald's Chicken McMuffin. Very interesting. Their junior chickens taste really good, and oddly enough, it pairs very well with the McMuffin. I'm kind of stumped because part of me is like, what the heck are you eating? The other part of me is like, this is pretty good. I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 out of 10. It's not bad. It does taste good, don't get me wrong. It's just something that you wouldn't even think would go well together, chicken and in a breakfast sandwich. This could start a trend though. I could see something like this catching on. If it was healthy, I would eat this up because I love breakfast sandwiches. Spicy chicken, I don't know, just because it's not that healthy, I'm kind of like, why am I putting this in my body? But if it was healthier, like a grilled chicken one, now we're talking McDonald's. Get me on the line. But yeah, 7.5 out of 10 for this spicy chicken, or Chicken McMuffin, McDonald's Chicken McMuffin. We'll go with it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.